So we want to get rid of all these ugly ends. Now what you do is you pull it away bit by bit if you're using a chunky yarn. Just bit by bit, and it will come away. Do not use a scissors. No scissors. Big ban. Because it leaves a sharp, clean edge that we don't want on this. So we take your ugly end and you pull it forward and tuck it under each visible string. Now, if you have an end that when you want to fold it over, it means you're exposing like that. You don't want to have a hole. So what you do, you take your ugly end and you turn the loom over and you tuck your ugly end into the back strings. And there you have lovely, beautiful, clean edges. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.